In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a deal in HubSpot. First, let's start by logging into HubSpot. You should see the login page right in front of you. Enter your credentials, which include your email and password, and hit the login button. This step is crucial because it ensures that only authorized users can access your account. A secure login protects your data and gives you access to your CRM features. Once you successfully log in, you will be taken to the HubSpot dashboard where you can manage various aspects of your business. Next, navigate to the CRM section. You can find this option on the left-hand side menu. Click on CRM and it will expand a sub-menu. From there, select Deals. This action takes you to the Deals section where you can view all your current deals and manage them effectively. This area is vital for tracking your sales pipeline and keeping your deals organized. You will now see a list of deals complete with their statuses and details, which helps you get a quick overview of your sales activities. Now it's time to create a new deal. Look for the Create Deal button, usually located at the top right corner of the Deals page. Click on it and a new window will pop up, prompting you to enter the deal details. This is an exciting moment because you are about to add a new opportunity to your sales process. Make sure to fill in all the required fields to ensure that your deal is complete and ready for tracking. As you enter the deal details, start with the deal name. Choose something descriptive that clearly identifies the deal. This name will help you and your team easily recognize the deal later on. Next, select the pipeline where this deal will be placed. The pipeline represents the stages of your sales process. Choosing the right pipeline is important because it determines how the deal will be managed within your system. After that, you will need to specify the deal stage. Each pipeline has different stages such as prospecting or negotiation. Selecting the correct stage is essential as it will help you track the progress of the deal effectively. Then enter the amount associated with the deal. This financial figure is crucial for your sales forecasts and helps you measure potential revenue. You can also set the close date, which provides a timeline for when you expect the deal to finalize. Next, assign a deal owner. This is typically the salesperson responsible for managing the deal. Assigning a deal owner ensures accountability and makes it clear who is driving the sales process. After filling in these essential details, you will have a solid foundation for your new deal. But we're not finished yet. Now let's associate the deal with relevant entities. You have the option to connect it with a contact, a company, or even a ticket if applicable. Associating the deal with a contact helps you maintain strong relationships and follow up effectively. If you select a company, it provides context about the business involved in the deal. Including a ticket can also offer additional details about the inquiry or request tied to this deal. Finally, click on the Create Deal button at the bottom of the window. This action saves all the information you just entered. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your deal has been created successfully. This confirmation ensures that your new deal is now part of your pipeline and ready for tracking. That's it. You have successfully added a deal in HubSpot. Remember, keeping your deals organized is key to effective sales management. It allows you to track progress and forecast revenue accurately. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you find this process helpful in managing your sales.